Hello everyone, that's Dmitry Maslenkov. I'm one of the architects of Altai Private Cloud for DevOps and Grid Dynamics International. Altai is a private cloud. We designed it to provide developers and test engineers with out-of-the-box infrastructure for continuous integration and delivery of large-scale applications. Here in Grid Dynamics International, we develop software solutions with e-commerce businesses in mind. Having a private cloud is necessary for our success. We studied the cloud market and realized that there were no adequate solutions, and then prompted us to come up with an answer, which is Altai. Today I'm going to show a short demo of how Altai works. Let's take a look at my screen. I connect via SSH to the server. Here you can see a new CentOS installation. Before you install Altai Private Cloud, you first have to install the Git version control system. So we are waiting while the packages will be downloaded and installed. Next, we clone Altai installation script from GitHub. We change directory to Altai and make sure that we check out version 0.1. Then we set parameters for our installation. I personally like to use Vim editor. We are going to use the same server as master and compute node, so we add a compute node role to our server. Next, I modify system administrator email address and IP address of the server. We have done with installer configuration and ready to run Altai installation. It takes less than 10 minutes. Installation has been done. Let's get to work. To access the web interface, I open the browser. For the login, I use the same email and password combination I used for the installation. Before we run VM, let's straighten out our configuration. The first thing we need to do is create a network. To do this, I fill an address and a VLAN number. The second step is to create a project. In the Project tab, I type a name and choose a network that goes with it. Since we have only one network, it is automatically indicated in the interface. To be part of the project, I add myself to the project member list. It is incredibly easy thing to do with the Altai web interface. Next step is a global image upload, which allows everybody to use it. I have a rather small Linux image specially made for this demo video. Good, I found it, and my browser is uploading it. Okay, done. And now to the project part. To establish a network access to project's VM, we need to configure our security groups. For demo purposes only, I connect to 22 SSH port. I create a new security group and assign this port number to it. I'm about to register the SSH key so I could access my VMs. Because I keep the public key field empty, a new automatically downloadable private key is generated for me. Keep it secret and keep it safe. It's time to start a new VM. We set a name, administrator password, SSH key, security group, and flavor. It's taking some time to start. While it's starting, we can take a look at the VM details. Oh, I guess it has started. The details show the IP address has been assigned to VM. Let's try to access to the VM. The SSH key we registered earlier. Oops, I forgot to change permissions for the SSH key. For security reasons, it should be fix00. Okay, let's fix it. And we are logged in. That's all. Thank you for taking the time to watch the demo. I think you enjoy the speed and ease of use of Altai Private Cloud. I hope you have fun optimizing your efficiency. Goodbye.